Three Rivers Chevy shoppers, consider the excellent deals at Cole Crum Chevrolet.
For your best deal on a Chevy Tahoe near Three Rivers, Michigan, stop up to Cole Crum Chevrolet. Let me show you some of the convenience features that our Chevy Tahoe owners love. One of those features is the Tri-Zone Climate Control. It gives the back passengers, driver, and passenger all their own setting to make sure that they're comfortable on the trip. Another thing my customers love about the new Chevy Tahoe is the rear entertainment system. For long trips especially, you can watch movies, play video games, and you can enjoy it without having to have everyone watch the same thing. It has wireless headphones included that allow the back passengers to listen to separate video or audio from the front passengers. This way, everybody's happy. Hey, this is Jim Brott for your best deal on a new Chevy Tahoe. Come see me at Cole Crum Chevrolet here in Schoolcraft.
For the best selection and best deals on your next vehicle, visit ColeAutomotive.com. Cole Automotive offers 10 new vehicle franchises at 5 locations, so you can have one amazing experience. Stop in and take a test drive with our friendly staff, or visit us online at ColeAutomotive.com. While you're there, be sure to explore our new and used car special offers, as well as our lease and finance specials. When it comes to finding the best deal on a new car in West Michigan, everything you want, Cole's got it.